Morning, everybody. Just a quick little update. A few things we're doing to get ready for the next test and tune. Car's running good. I'm going to run it around the block a couple more times to continue to seat the rings, and then do a oil change and maybe a fresh set of plugs just so it's done. But I did a little quick, little easy. There's some weight reduction we've done for the track. Obviously, we're not running nitrous right now, so the nitrous bottle came out. That's 24.6 pounds. And then I don't need the center console for anything. It's just, I think it's a total of 6 screws that holds that in, and then 3 plugs for the little info center. That was 7 pounds, almost 8 pounds. And then with the xpipe and the catalytic converters, mufflers, that is 46 pounds. Of course, we did put the little header extensions back on. I weighed those. They're about 10 pounds for the pair. So, but really, we're looking at almost 60 pounds out of the car. It took 5 minutes. So, with the exception of the exhaust, took like 10 minutes to take that out. But anyway, easy weight reduction, stuff I don't need to go down the track, but obviously can go back in with a couple of screws. And I also, after work yesterday, we got our shift light installed. Of course, that's just 3 wires. That's a ignition source and then a ground, and then the green wire goes to the negative side on the ignition coil. And this worked good too. This is the auto meter. Seems to be right on the money. Of course, it's adjustable with the buttons up here. It'll give you your peak RPM. It has RPM in the middle, and then the LEDs for the shift light will come on. So you just use the buttons to program what RPM you want it to come on at. And then there's a setting. It'll show your peak RPM as well. But anyway, I didn't want the big monster tack. I just wanted the shift light. This tack works just fine. But anyway, that is all done. So getting close. The only other thing is this fan controller is on its way out. It's only turning on one fan, which I mentioned. So I emailed my tuner, and in his program there is one pin on the ECM he has set aside as fan control. So I might get a wire in 2 relays and just run it off the ECM, and you can program it in the tune. So that might be the next thing I do. But honestly, the last couple times I've taken it out, just driving it around on one fan is staying cool. And I mean, I don't think I'm going to overheat making a pass, or just idling in the the little bit of idling in the staging lanes. But anyway, that's probably the next thing to do, is to wire in. I think it's pin 41 on the ECM he has set, and then in the program you can set your temperatures and everything to turn it on and off. So yeah, that would just be 2 relays wired into the fans. And take this controller out, since it's on its way out. It's only turning on one fan, not the other. But anyway, that's the updates. Got some weight out of the car, and got the shift light installed. Okay, thanks everybody.